hands I'll sing a song, a toasting glass I'll raise to a place that means the world to me, on the wild Atlantic way. A land where blessed feet once tread, where kings and princes roamed, a place of beauty and renown, Clare, my heart, my home. So raise your voices, one and all, sing out, let it be known, the banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home. Liscannor Bay and Maher's cliffs, great white Atlantic foam, and Burren's beauty uncompared, majestic land of stone. The rolling hills of Tulla, Inchikrone and Cragganore, all jewels in the crown that is Clare, my heart, my home. So raise your voices, one and all, sing out, let it be known, the banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home. By holy hands, from Scattery to Kirkhamroe, from Killaloo to Quinn, Kilfenora of the Crosses, 7 carved from Barrenstone, stand tall as sentinels of faith, in Clare, my heart, my home. So raise your voices, one and all, sing out, let it be known, the banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home. And now it's time to bid farewell. This night must come to end, but I wish you peace and God's blessings until we meet again. If ever you return again, of this you can be sure, you'll be welcome here with open arms, in Clare, my heart, my home. So raise your voices, one and all, sing out, let it be known, the banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home. So raise your voices, one and all, sing out, let it be known, the banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home. The banner's flying high tonight, in Clare, my heart, my home.